Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the Visitor Polls section of the Tools tab. So let's begin. This tool will let you create and monitor any questions you would like to ask your visitors. The visitors can select one of the multiple choices for a question and submit a comment if they choose. So let's create a sample poll. First, type in your question in the poll question field. You then have the option to set up a scheduled date and time to schedule your poll question on your website. Leaving both fields blank will make the question available for the website immediately. Then click the Add Poll button. For newly added polls, click the yellow caution icon to add choices to your poll. Type in your choices in the choice field and then click the Add Choice button. I'm going to add a yes option and a no option. It is recommended to create at least 2 choices for your poll question. Any new poll will automatically display through a polls stack item, which are managed in the side column section under the Home section of the Menu and Pages tab. So let's go to Menu and Pages, Side column. If you haven't already created a stack item for your poll, you can type in the poll and then make the item type a poll. However, we already have a visitor poll stack item set here. Here you have various options for your poll. First, you can schedule it, or when you click the gear icon, go to Poll Settings, and you can either have the poll display the most recent poll you made, or choose whichever one you would like. You also have the option of showing or hiding your comments form. As always, remember to always click the blue Save Changes button. Now let's go back to the Tools section so we can go over how to adjust the poll options. So once you get back to the screen, click the yellow edit icon. Then click Poll Options. There is a variety of different options you can change in this section. First, you can change the voting limit, which is the number of times a visitor may vote on the poll. Next, you can change the voting frequency on how many times a visitor can vote in the poll in relation to the voting limit. This can be set to total or daily. Next, you can enable or disable the visibility of the results on the poll's results page. You can adjust how the results are displayed on the poll's results page, which can be percentages or number of votes. And then you can enable or disable the CAPTCHA feature for the poll. It is recommended to have this turned on to prevent bots from spamming your poll. Again, remember to always click Save Changes. You also have the option to publish comments on the poll results page. To achieve this, go to the View Poll Comments section. Then you'll see the comments. There's only one comment on this poll. Now, mark the boxes next to the comments you wish to publish, and then click Save Changes. Now this comment will be displayed under the poll. Finally, if you click this Download All Votes and Comments button, it'll download a PDF of the votes and comments. Now, I want to go over a few more buttons before I take you into the demo website. So if you go back to this Visitor Polls button, you see these different icons here. I want to quickly go over them. The first download icon allows you to download the results and comments of the poll. The second yellow icon allows you to edit the poll. The third chat bubble icon will take you to the poll's comment page. The link icon will show you the poll results. And the trash icon will delete the poll entirely. Now, let's go into the demo website to see what the poll looks like on the website. So again, we put it in the side column, so it'll be in the side column all the way down. And here's the poll. You can enter name and email, which are optional, and then a comment. And then here's the CAPTCHA button. Then make sure you're not a robot, and then you push submit. It'll then take you to the results page and show you the listener comments that were approved and other recent polls. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to click on our page demo, visit our help center, or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.